Hi everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we're making honey garlic tofu. For the ingredients, you will need a box of tofu. I've used medium firm, you can use firm as well. 1 onion, 1 bulb of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. For the tofu batter, you will need to mix 2 eggs with 3/4 cup of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of milk. Gently coat the tofu with the batter. For the sauce, you will need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1½ tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1/3 cup of water. Now we're ready to cook. Heat up some oil and gently place in the tofu one by one. Cook the tofu on medium heat for around 7 minutes until golden brown. Now moving on to the sauce. Fry the garlic, ginger and onions on medium heat until fragrant. Add the sauce and bring it to simmer, and then mix the tofu in. Now you're ready to serve. Garnish with spring onions and sesame seeds and enjoy. Thanks for watching!